Hello everyone, today I will share with you about a new brilliant project. Welcome back to my channel Crypto Salin. Please press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos. If you are new on my channel, press the subscribe button too. Today I am diving into an exciting new meme coin that's bringing something truly different to the space. Dollar NIRV on Solana, but this is not just another meme token. Dollar NIRV takes inspiration from something much deeper, the Buddhist concept of nirvana. So their telegram and also the Twitter link is given. I will share that with you too both and further, but there have the you can see contact address is given. You can use that contact address. So first of all, I want to discuss with you that what is nirvana. They are selling welcome to the nirvana coin. So I am talking about the nirvana. What is that in Buddhist? Basically, nirvana represent the ultimate state of freedom from suffering, attachment, fear, a place of total peace. And you can see the idea is that by letting go of greed, fear, and doubt, we reach a site of truly clarity. And that's exactly what dollar nirvana is about. Dollar NIRV. So the unique philosophy of dollar NIRV is given. You can see, unlike other meme coins that focus purely on hype, dollar NIRV Nirvana blends meme culture with a deeper message, detachment from market, FOMO, fear, and uncertainty. It's about embarrassing the journey, not just chasing the next bump. So they are at their final stage, freedom from FUD, detachment from weak hands, and they are enlightenment through gain. So here they embrace the path of financial nirvana, no suffering, no stress, just pure and mimetic bliss. So they are telling about this. They are telling about no stress, that you will not get any stress, just pure vibe and financial enlightenment. So a fully community project, a driven project with an organic growth, no central control. They basically they are deflationary mechanism they have with the strategic token burns, reducing supply over time. Basically, what is this matter of crypto space full of market swings? They have emotional trading, short terms, and thinking. So dollar nirvana challenge that mindset, encourage holders to detach from the noise and focus on the bigger picture, which is dollar nirvana coin. So their final thoughts is given here. And if you love meme coins with a real culture and a strong community, dollar nirvana is definitely worth checking out. The path to dollar crypto nirvana is open. You have to go to their telegram. You have to go and be a part of their telegram. You can also go to their Twitter and be a part of it too. I will give these link in my video description. So now I will just go on the mobile screen and share with you about their telegram insight and also the Twitter. It's a nirvana. You can also join them on the Twitter. I'm sharing that the part to meme enlightenment and financial freedom. You can see they are posting. They have the following here. You can see there they are live on that nirvana basically Twitter. So you can see it, they are giving the news. So you can join the Twitters and be a part of their team, and you will get more about them too. Needs your vote on Solana Hunter. They have FAMPA dollar. You can see about Nirvana, which is given here NIRV. Head over to Solana Hunters and vote for dollar NIRV to help push us higher. You can vote here on Solana Hunters, and the way is clear. You can go and vote on it too. You can see final stage, unlock Nirvana, no weekends, no FUD, just mimetic bliss and financial freedom. You can see it here. Their logo is given here. They have given different types of basically the news and post here. They are talking about the unfold now on Moon Talk. You can see it here. It is on Moon Talk. You can see it here. It is new listing on that, and now listed on Solana Hunters too. So it's going on. You can see they are giving different news on the Twitter, so you can also be a part of their Twitter team so that you can get to know about that too. So it is on the Soul Scan, and all the detail is given here. You can get to know about that, their official launch and all that details. So now I will further go on their basically Telegram and share with you how you can be a part of the Telegram group, and you can also get more information on that too. You can also follow them on their basically channel, and you can see it here. Welcome to Nirvana. They have given the detail hodl manifest and ascend. You can see the way is clear, the moon is near, so you can see that. You can also verify and go further. So now I will just give that and share it with you. So here you can see, you can follow it too. I am sharing that with you, the link, and you can get to know about all that. They have the dex screener bar. You can see they have the soul trending details here, and you can also be there too, so that you can get to know about that. And you can see it here, they are different given here. And that project which is Nirvana, it's also on be there too. So I share with you about their Telegram too, and it is a very good project. You can easily be a part of their team and make money on it too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.